The exercise 4.6. Examine the consistency of the system of equations in exercise 1 to 6. Here are 6 questions. Okay. Now examine the consistency of the system of equations. Okay. For consistency of solutions, there are 3 conditions. Number 1 condition is this: if the value of determinant is not equal to 0, it means A inverse exists. उसका A inverse भी होगा और A inverse unique होगा और equations have unique solution. So these equations is known as consistent. Okay. And the second condition is this: if determinant A equal to 0, okay, then adjoint of A into B not equal to 0. The product of adjoint A into B not equal to 0, then the equations have no solution. Okay, then the inconsistent. The equations are called inconsistent. And the third condition is this: if determinant A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B is also equal to 0. It means infinite many solution and consistent. Many solution means consistent. There are the 3 conditions for consistency of solution. So in each question, first we have to find the determinant of the A. In this question, the A equal to, the matrix for A is 1, 2, 2, 3. And B equal to 2, 3. This is the A, X equal to B. Now find the determinant of A. It means 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2 equal to minus 1, not equal to 0. It means A inverse exists. A inverse exists means these equations has unique solution and consistent. Okay. Now question number 2. The second question is 2x minus y equal to 5 and x plus y equal to 4. Now the A equal to 2, 1 minus 1, 1 and B equal to 5, 4. Okay. The equation can be written in the form of this: A x equal to B. Now find the determinant of A. 2 into 1 minus 1 into 1. It is equal to 3. It means this one also not equal to 0. The same condition, unique solution and consistent. Okay. Now question number 3. X plus 3y equal to 5, 2x plus 6y equal to 8. Now this equation can be written in the form of 1, 2, 3, 6, x, y equal to 5, 8. It means Ax, we can write Ax equal to B. Now A, the determinant of A is 1 into 6 minus 2 into 3. It is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. It means now find the adjoint of A. It means A determinant A equal to 0. It may be a consistent or inconsistent. No solution and many solution. In this case, we have to find the adjoint of A into B. The first adjoint of A is A11, A12, A21 and A22. Here is minus into minus. A11, first row first column 6, first row second column 2 minus 2. A21, second row first column minus 3 and 2 it is 1. 6 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now find adjoint of A into B. 6 minus 2 minus 3, 1. And B is 5, 8. Now multiply. 6 into 5, 30. Minus 24, it is 6. Minus 10 plus 8, minus 2. It means this is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0, the condition is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. No solution. The condition is for no solution or inconsistent. Next, question number 4. X plus y plus z equal to 1, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 2, ax plus ay plus 2az equal to 4. Now, these equations can be written in the form of matrix 1, 2a, 1, 3a, 1, 2, 2a. And x, y, z, 3 variable equal to 1, 2, 4. First, we have to find the determinant of A. Okay, the 1, 3, 2a, 2a. Minus 1, 2a, 2, 2a. And plus 1, 2a, 3a. 2a, 3a. Now, find the value. 6a minus 2a, it is 4a. It is 4a minus 2a. 2a minus 2a. And 2a minus 3a is minus a. It is equal to a. The determinant a is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. It means it is consistent. These equations are consistent and have unique solution. This is question number 5. 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 2. 2y minus z equal to minus 1. 3x minus 5y equal to 3. Now the equation is in the form of ax equal to b. Means the matrix 3, 0, 3. There is no coefficient of x. Minus 1, 2, minus 5. And z minus 2, minus 1, 0. Into x, y, z equal to 2, minus 1, 3. Okay. Now find the determinant of A. It is 3. 2 into 0, 0. Minus 5. It is minus 1. 0 into 0. Minus minus plus 3 into 1, 3. And next minus 2 into 0 into minus 5, 0. Minus 6. Minus 15 plus 3 plus 12. It is 0. It means 0 means it may be a consistent or not inconsistent. Okay. So now find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means we know that A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 cofactors and A23. Similarly, A31, A32, A33. Already you know that. So we can write adjoint of A is directly minus 5, 10, 5, minus 3, 6, 3 and minus 6, 12, 6. These are the adjoint of A. Next, adjoint of A multiplied to B. It means minus 5, minus 3, minus 6, 10, 6, 12, 5, 3, 6. Multiplied to B is 2 minus 1 3. Now multiply like this, minus 10 plus 15, minus 10 plus 15, and next minus 6 plus 9, minus 12 plus 18. Now solve, get minus 20 plus 15, it is minus 5, minus 3, minus 6. It means this is not equal to 0. This is equal to not 0. The condition is for, it is in, these equations are inconsistent, or these equations have no solution. Okay. Question number 6. The equation is 5x minus y plus 4z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 2, 5x minus 2y plus 6z equal to minus 1. Now the equation is in the form of ax equal to b. Now a is 5, 2, 5, minus 1, 3, minus 2, 4, 5, 6. X, y, z equal to 5, 2, minus 1. Now first we have to find the determinant of A. 5 into 3 into 6 minus 2 into 5. Next minus 1 into 2 into 6 minus 5 into 5. And third 4 into 2 into minus 2 minus 5 into 3. Okay. Now solve. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 into 5 is 140. Plus 1. 12 minus 15, 25. 12 minus 25, it is minus 13. And minus 4 minus 15. Minus 19 4 is 76. Now solve. 140 minus 89. It is equal to 51. Not equal to 0. It means therefore A inverse exists. It means these equations have unique solution and consistent. These equations are consistent. Solve system of linear equations using matrix method in exercises 7 to 40. Now I am solving the question number 7. The solve by the matrix method. Find the value of x and y. Okay. The equation is 5x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5. Now we can write in the form of ax equal to b. Okay. Now A matrix is 5, 7, 2, 3. And x is x, y variables, and b equal to 4, 5. Okay. Now first we have to find the determinant of A. It is 5 into 3 minus 7 into 2. 15 minus 14 equal to 1. 1 is not determinant A is not equal to 0. Therefore system is consistent, or it has a unique solution. Okay. So now we have to find system is consistent. Now find the x. So we can write x equal to A inverse into B. X equal to A inverse B. It means B by A, it means A inverse B. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A multiplied to B. That will equal to the x. Now find adjoint of A. All of you know that how to find adjoint of A? The cofactors of determinants. A11, A12 cofactors. This matrix is known as the adjoint of A. So you can find easily this will equal to the 3, minus 7, minus 2 and 5. This will equal to the adjoint of A. Now to put the values in this equation, x means xy equal to 1 upon determinant A is 1, 3 minus 7 minus 2, 5, and b equal to 4, 5. Now multiply these two matrices. That means 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 2. 3 into 4 minus 2 into 5, and minus 7 into 4 plus 5 into 5. 12 minus 10 it is 2, and minus 28 plus 25 it is minus 3. Therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. This is the solution of the following given equation. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 2x minus y equal to minus 2 and 3x plus 4y equal to 3. Now write in the form of ax equal to b. A equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4, and x variables x, y equal to minus 2 and 3. The process is same. Determinant of A equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 into 3. 8 plus 3, 11. It means determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, this system is consistent. Okay. Now find adjoint of A. The same matrix A11 it is 4. देखिए oblique लिख सकते हैं 4, 2 in cross, and minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 it is plus 1, there is minus. This is the adjoint of it. Just interchange the values and change sign. Now the x equal to A inverse B. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. The equation is 1 by 11. Adjoint of A is 4 minus 3, 1, 2. And B equal to minus 2, 3. Now multiply 1 by 11. 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Just multiply of matrices. 1 by 11. Solve. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. And this 6 plus 6 it is 12. Now divide by 11. It is minus 5 by 11. And it is 12 by 11. Now x equal to minus 5 by 11. Jinne 12 by 11. This is the solution of the given equation. Next question is 4x minus 3y equal to 3, 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Just write in the form of ax equal to b. A means 4, 3, minus 3 minus 5. This is the determinant A. X is the matrix of variables, and b equal to constant equal to this. Now first find determinant of A. 4 into minus 5 minus 3 into 3. Minus 20 plus 9 it is minus 11. Therefore, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Okay. It is consistent. Now find adjoint of A. Just reverse the minus 5 into 4 and convert the sign. Minus 5, here is the 4. This one is 3, equal to minus 3. Okay. This is the A inverse, adjoint of A. Now x equal to A inverse into x. A inverse into B. Sorry, A inverse into B. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A into B. Just put the value 1 upon minus 11. Adjoint is minus 5, minus 3, 3, 4. And B is 3, 7. Now solve. It is 1 by 11. Minus 5 into 3. Minus 5 into 3 plus 3 into 7. In the next minus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 7. The values 1 by 11 minus 15 plus 21. It is 6. 21 minus 15 is 6. And minus 9 and 7 for 28. It is 19. We can write minus 6 by 11 or minus 19 by 11. Minus 6 by 11 and minus 19 by 11. X equal to minus 6 by 11 and y equal to minus 19 by 11. Okay. Next question. The question number 10 is 5x plus 2y equal to 3 and 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Okay. Same pattern. X equal to A inverse B. Therefore, first we have to find the A matrix is 5, 3, 2, 2. X is barrier and B equal to constant. Okay. Find the discriminant of 5 into 2 minus 3 into 2. 10 minus 6, it is 4. The determinant value of A is 4. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, the system is consistent. Consistent means it has solutions. Okay. Now find the solutions of x and y. The first, for finding A inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. There the adjoint. Determinant of A is 1 by 4 and adjoint is 5, 2. It is 2, 5. Just replace the values and change the sign is minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. X equal to 1 by 4. Adjoint of A 2 minus 2 minus 3, 5 and B is 3, 5. Now simplify 1 by 4. 2 into 3 minus 2 into 5. Minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 5. It is 6 minus 10 minus 4. 25 minus 9 is 16. Divided by 4 minus 1 and 4. X equal to minus 1 and y equal to 4. Question number 11. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1. X minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2. 3y minus 5z equal to 9. Now this is equation it is equal to ax plus ax equal to b. Now the determinant for a is 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1 minus 5. This is the A matrix, and B, X, Y, Z variables, and the B equal to 1, 3 by 2 and 9. Okay, now solve. First we have to solve the determinant of A. The value of determinant 2, minus 2 into minus 5 is 10, minus 1 is plus, 3 ones are 3, minus 1, minus 5 only, minus 5 minus 0, and third 1 is 3 into 0, 3 minus 0. Now solve. 13 into 2, 26, plus 5 plus 3, it is 34. The determinant A equal to 34, it means determinant A is not equal to 0. Okay. Now for finding the x equal to A inverse B. A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B. Okay. Now the adjoint of A, 1 upon determinant is 1 by 34, and the adjoint of A, I have find that 13. You can do yourself. 8 minus 10 minus 6, 1, 3 minus 5, and B equal to 1, 3 by 2, 9, 1, 3 by 2, 9. Now multiply 1 by 34 outside, 13 into 1 plus 8 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into 9. First row column. Second row 5 into 1 minus 10 into 3 by 2 plus 3 into 9. Next 3 into 1 minus 6 into 3 by 2 minus 5 into 9. Now solve. Cancel. 4 into 3, 12 plus 13, 25 plus 9, 34. 1 by 34, right here 34. Now cancel 5. 5 minus 15 minus 10. It means 27 minus 10 is 17. Again 3. 3 minus 9 minus 6. Minus 6, 45 and 6 minus 51. Okay, now divide by 34. Each number divided by 34 means 34 by 34, 17 by 34 and minus 51 by 34. These are equal to 1, 1 by 2 and minus 3. Okay, the answer is x equal to 3 by 2. 7 3 is 51 and this. Then x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2 and z equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the solution of the given equations. Determinant A is not equal to 0, it means A inverse exists and the system is consistent. Now question number 12. The question number 12. X minus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2. This equation can be written in the form of matrix like this: Ax equal to b. Now A matrix is 1 2 1, minus 1 1 1 and 1 minus 3 1, and x is the variable and b 4 0 2. First we have to find the determinant value of A. It is equal to the 1 1 plus 3 4 minus 1 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 2 minus 1 1. It is 4 plus 5 plus 1. It is 10. That value of this determinant equal to 10. It means the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. This means the following system is inconsistent. Okay. Now find the value of x. So how can we find the value of x equal to A inverse B? And A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B. Now the adjoint of A. So you can write adjoint of A by like the cofactors, transpose of cofactors. I have written already. I know it is 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 and 2 5 3. It is equal to this. You can find on their own. Determinant 1 by 10 into B is 4 0 2. Now solve 1 by 10. 4 into 4 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2. 4 into 4 2 into 0 2 into 2. In the second row minus 5 into 4 plus 0 into 0 plus 5 into 2. First row this column, second row this column, and third row 1 into 4 minus 2 into 0 and 3 into 6. Solve this. It is equal to 16 plus 4 20 minus 20 plus 10. It is minus 10 and 4 18 and 4 3 into 2 6 plus 4 10. Now divided by 10 each term 2 minus 1 and 1. Compare this x equal to x, y, z. It means x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 1. Okay. This is question number 12. Now question number 13. Question number 13. 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. Now written in the form of Ax equal to b. The equations 2, 1, 3. 3 minus 2 minus 1. 3, 1 minus 2. These are the coefficient of x, y and z. And x is this, b is 5 minus 4, 3. Okay. First, the value of determinant A. 2 into 2, 4, minus plus 1. Minus 3, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3. And plus 3, 1 into minus 1 plus 6. 2 into 5, minus 3 into minus 5 and 3 into 5. 10 plus 15 it is equal to 40. Determinant A is not equal to 0. It means the system is consistent. Okay. Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, you can find the factors, cofactor A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23 cofactors of these elements 31, 32 and 33. This is the adjoint of A. So now solve and write A11 like this, eliminate first row, first column and so on. It is 5, 5, 5. Now it is 3 minus 13, 11 and 9, 1 minus 7. Now the x inverse equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A into B. Okay, it means 1 by 40. Adjoint of A is 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 minus 7 and B is 5 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. Now multiply 1 by 40. 5 into 5, 3 into minus 4 plus 9 into 3. In the second row 5 into 5 minus 13 into minus 4 plus 1 into 3. 5 into 5 plus 11 into minus 4 and minus 7 into 3. Now calculate 25 minus 12, 13, 13 plus 27, it is 40, equal to 40. Next 25 plus 52 plus the 55, it is equal to 80. And 25 minus 44 minus 21, it is equal to minus 40. Okay. Okay, now divide each one by 40. You get 1, 40 into 2 and minus 1. Now compare x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to minus 1. This is the solution of question number 13. Okay. Now question number 14. The question of 14 is x minus y plus 2z equal to 7, 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 5, 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12. These equations can be written in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Now A is 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 5, 3. And X is a matrix of variable. These are the variables x, y and z. And B is 7, minus 5 and 12. First we have to find the determinant A. Find the value of determinant 1 into 4 into 3, 12, minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3, 3 are 9, plus 10, 19 and plus 2, minus 3, minus 8 is minus 11. Now solve, it is equal to 4. Therefore, the determinant A is not equal to 0. Therefore, system is consistent. System is consistent. Now, the value of x equal to, we can write A inverse into B. How to find the inverse of A means 1 by determinant value and adjoint of A multiplied to B. The determinant value 1 by 4 and adjoint you can find and write. I am writing here 7 minus 19 minus 11, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 3. You have already learnt about the how to find adjoint of equations. And 7, minus 5 and 12. This is the B. 7 minus 5, 12 is B. Okay. Now calculate. Multiply and calculate. Just first row multiplied to this column. 7 into 7, 1 into minus 5 and minus 3 multiplied to 12. Same minus 19 into 7, minus 1 into minus 5 and plus 11 into 12. Okay. Next minus 11 into 7, minus 1 into minus 5 and 7 into 12. Now compile 49. Compiling 49 minus 5 minus 36. Minus 133 plus 5 plus 132 minus 77 plus 5 plus 84. It is equal to solve. It is equal to 8, 4 and 12. And each number divided by 4 is 2, 1 and 3. Now compare. Here the variable of x, y, z. Variables are here. Now x equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z equal to 3. This is the solution of the question number 14. And next question number 15. If a equal to 2, 3, 1, minus 3, 2, 1, 5, minus 4, minus 2. Find A inverse and using A inverse solve the following system of equations. Okay, the following system of equations are 2x minus 3y plus 5z, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5, x plus 2y minus 2z equal to minus 3. The A is from here 2, 3, 1, minus 3, 2, 1. This is. The first we have to find the A inverse. Question number 15. Now find the first determinant of A. It is 2, minus 4 and plus 4, 0. Minus 3, 2 to minus 4 plus 4, 0. Now minus 3 is 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus 4. It is minus 2. And third plus 5 multiplied to 3 ones are 3 minus 2 it is 1. 0 minus 6 plus 5 it is equal to minus 1. Therefore not equal to 0. The system is consistent. It means A inverse exists. Okay. Now find the A inverse. First we have to find the adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A is transpose of the cofactors like this. A21, A22 and A23. Here is A31, A32 and A33. Okay. The first find A11. Okay. How will you find the A11? All of you know. Eliminate first row and first column and value of this determinant. It is equal to 0. Now A12. A12 means first row and second column. Eliminate first row, second column. Find the value of this determinant. Minus 6 plus 4, it is minus 2. Okay, but it is the position of A12 and multiplied by minus 1 raised to power 3 into 2, it is equal to minus 2. We know that it is plus 1 minus plus. Minus plus minus plus because the power minus 1 raised to by even number plus minus and 1. Same A22. Sorry, A13. First row, third column. This will be the 1, 3 means positive value. 3 minus 2, it is 1. Okay. Now A21. A21 means minus 1 multiplied to eliminate second row and first column. Second row, first column. You will get minus 3 into minus 2, 6, minus 5, it is 1. The value of A21 is minus 1. And A22, just eliminate second row, second column. Second row, second column. And the value of the determinant, minus 4, minus 5. It is minus 9. It will be positive. And the third number, A23, this will be the negative, minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3, 5. And second row, third column, eliminate. 2 plus 3, it is 5. The answer is minus 5. Now A31. A31 is a positive value. 3 plus 1, 1 minus, it is positive. Third row and first column. Plus 12 minus 10, it is equal to 2. A32, this will be negative because minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2, 5. Now eliminate third row, second column. It is minus 8 and minus 15, minus 23, and solve 23. Now A33. Third row, eliminate third row and third column. It is 2 to the 4 plus 9, 13, equal to 13. Now we can write the adjoint of A in the form of A11, A12, A13. It means 0, minus 2, 1. 0, minus 1, 2. 0, minus 1, 2. Sorry, here is minus 2. Sorry, because first row, second column, I count wrong. First row, second column. It is minus 2, minus 6, plus 4, it is minus 2, minus 1 multiplied by 2. Now we can write the adjoint like this, 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Next, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 9, minus 5. And 2, 23, 13. 2, 23, 13. Silly mistake. Now find the A inverse. We can find A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Now determinant is minus 1. Okay, so we can write here 1 upon minus 1. And adjoint is 0 to 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 13. And multiplying this negative, we will get the minus numbers. It will equal to the 0, 1, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 13. This is the A inverse. Okay. Now find the x, y, z, the value of x, y, z. Now we know that the x equal to A inverse into B. Now A inverse is 0, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 9, 5, minus 2, minus 23 and minus 13. And multiplied to B. B is 11, minus 5, minus 3. Okay. Now multiply. Solve. 0 into 11, 1 into minus 5, 1 into minus 5, and minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into 11, 9 into minus 5, plus minus 23 into minus 23 into minus 3, and third minus 1 into 11 plus 5 into minus 5 minus plus minus 13 into minus 3. Now solve. Okay, so this will equal to the plus 6 minus 5, it is equal to the 1. Next minus 22 minus 45, but 3 3 are 9, 69 plus 69, it will be 2. And minus 11 minus 25 plus 39, it is 3. Now compare x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. This is the solution of the question number 15. Question number 16. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70. Find cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Okay, first we can take the cost of onion x, cost of wheat y and cost of rice is z. Okay, per kg cost x, y and z respectively. The equations are 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60. Next, 2 kg onion means 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90. And the third, 6 kg onion, it means 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70. Okay. Next, these equation can be written in the form of ax plus b. Now age 4, 2, 6, 3, 4, 2 and 2, 6, 3, and x matrix is the like this and b is 60, 90, 70. Okay. Now first we have to find the determinant of A. This is the A matrix. A matrix is 4, 2, 6, 3, 4, 2, 2, 6, 3. Now value of this determinant, 4 into the 12 minus 12 minus 3, 2 into 3 6 minus 36 and 2 into 2 4 minus 24. It is 0, minus 30 plus 3 90 and minus 20 into 2 40. It is equal to 50. Therefore A inverse exists because this is not equal to 0. Okay, the system is consistent. Then find the cofactors. First A11, same way the first row and first element, 12 minus 12 it is 0. Next A12, first row second column it is 3 to the 6 minus 36 and minus it means it will go 30, and same A13 equal to minus 20, A21 minus 5, A22 0 and A23 10. Okay. Now A31, third row first column 18 minus 8 it is equal to 10. A32 minus 20 and A33 equal to 10. Okay. Now adjoint of A, same way A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the adjoint of A. And the A inverse divided by discriminant 1 by 50. Each term 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 10 10 minus 20 and 10. Now find the x. Again x means x y z. Okay, 1 by 50, 0 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 10 10 minus 20 10 multiplied to 60 90 70 60 90 70. Okay, now multiply 1 by 50 here. First term 0, second 9 5 ja 45 minus 450 plus 700, and second 13 to 60 1800, second term 0 minus 1400, same minus 20 minus 1200 plus 900 plus 700. Now this will be 250, 400 and 400, and divided by 50 it is 5 8 8. It means x equal to 5, y equal to 8 and z equal to 8. X is the onion, cost of the onion 5, cost of the wheat 8 and cost of the rice is rupees 8. Okay, this is the solution of question number 16.